In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and interact with images using a tool called Perplexity. Whether you're looking to extract information from an image or simply want to ask a question about its contents, Perplexity makes it easy and convenient. Let's walk through each step together so that you can make the most out of this feature. First, we need to open Perplexity. Make sure you've launched the correct application either on your computer or smartphone. Take a moment to verify you're in the right place, and then we're good to go. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the search bar, the area where you would typically enter your questions or queries. Look carefully at this section, and you'll notice an icon that resembles a paperclip or an image icon. This is what you'll use to upload your image. Clicking on this icon is crucial as it initiates the process of importing the image that you want to work with. Once you spot the icon, go ahead and click it. This simple action will prompt a file window to appear on your screen. Now, with the file window open, you have the opportunity to browse through your computer or phone gallery to find the specific image you intend to upload. Take your time to navigate through your folders or photo albums. Once you've found the image that you want to ask a question about or analyze further, click on it to select it. This step is direct and should feel quite intuitive. After you've successfully uploaded your image, it's time to ask the question you've been pondering. You'll notice a box where you can type in your query. This is where the interaction deepens as you seek to understand, inquire about, or even request creative ideas based on the image. You might, for instance, want to know the best caption for the image you've uploaded. Simply type your question into the box, and you're set. By following these steps, you're harnessing the power of Perplexity to interact with visual content in a meaningful way. It's a feature that allows for a rich exchange of information and ideas, providing a platform for you to explore the images in new and exciting directions. Always remember that the key here is to experiment and see what new insights or suggestions come to light based on the questions you ask. Enjoy the process and the discoveries that come with it.